Features-wise, though, this actually doesn't look that bad. We've got 3 front USBs, including a USB 3, power, reset, front ports. We've got, wow, an easily removable magnetic fan filter with room for a couple of 120mm fans up here. It actually includes what appears to be a 120mm RGB fan, although it may just be that the label is red, green, and blue. The side panel mounts in like this tempered glass style, but this is in fact an acrylic side panel. And then check this out. It's got that punched out style back panel, so you've actually got a little bit of room for cable management back here. I mean, not a ton, but a little bit is better than nothing. That is a weird fan. Like, it's a 120mm frame, but those blades are tiny. So this is what I'm talking about.